Mary and Collins, coming to you from Kale Butter Farms. Today we're making, well, we have an abundance of kale, just scads of it, and we're gonna make some kale cubes.
Yeah!
Aren't we? Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So sit back and watch how it's done. So what you need is a ton of kale. I just have a bit here. Some water, I don't know, a couple cups.
I have some poop.
Some of these old school ice cube trays handy, and your blender. And you're just gonna take each kale here. You take this one. Take your kale, and that one actually doesn't look awesome.
Oh, my hair. I like my roosters. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'll just take the sound out of this part, I guess. Remove the leaves from the stems and jam them in there. Pour in some water. Ooh, just enough really to get it moving, you know, crack-a-lacking. And there you go. Let her rip.
No, I want
Shut up. Shut up. I really try to pulverize it because then I figure the smaller the bit, the more likely my kids are to not notice it when it goes into their food. So then, take this bad boy.
Water poop, your water poop. Water poop, your water.
Take my little tray, and I take out the solid bits.
Solid bits.
Ooh, solid bits. And just fill the tray like this. So once the tray is filled, I just use the green juice that's left in there to kind of finish off the cubes. Ooh, it's just kind of a hot mess, but it, I swear the finished product is worth the hot mess. Once they're frozen, I just store them in a plastic bag in the freezer. Come here. And I pop them into smoothies, into sauces, and I haven't yet popped them into soups, but I plan to. I'm just going to store, I'm gonna have a whole freezer full of kale cubes. I don't know. What's up?
I did not make it those kind of ice.
He didn't make these kinds of ice cubes. Cool, peace out.